Thank you for your interest in our current open position. So in this following video, we're going to show you how to complete our application process correctly so you go ahead and be an eligible candidate. So please watch this video till the end so you go ahead and complete this correctly. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to click on this Get Started button, and it's going to redirect you to the short application. Now make sure you submit this application and you fill it out with your correct and legitimate information, okay? Because the hiring manager will verify this info with you later on after this process. So go ahead and submit your first name here, okay? Next, you're going to submit your last name. After you submit your last name, you're going to go ahead and submit your date of birth, okay? So make sure you submit that as well. After submitting your date of birth, go ahead and click on the gender that you are, okay? So I'm going to put male. And then your best contact email, okay? You need to submit the best email we can contact you in, because the hiring manager is going to contact you, and in order for you to actually continue the process, you're going to need to open up an email that they're going to send you, okay? So please make sure it's an email that you use constantly, okay? So go ahead and do that. And once you submit your email, go ahead and click on your country, okay? So since you're in Australia, go ahead and click on Australia. So go ahead and do that. And then after that, click on your zip code, okay? And once you submit your zip code, go ahead and create a password. Now make sure this is a password that is easy for you to remember, because you're going to need this password in order to log in and to check the progress of your application, okay? So go ahead and do that real quick. And once you create your password, it's going to ask you to submit your mobile phone number. Now this is optional, okay? You do not need to do this. So if you're comfortable with providing your cell phone number, go ahead and submit it here and click on this box. If you do not want to submit your phone number, go ahead and just click submit. Okay, and it's going to load up real quick. Once you submit your application, you're going to go ahead and please read this message here, okay? You have successfully created an account. Now make sure you go to your email that you submitted on here, that you created your account with, and you check your email inbox. And if it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder. Okay, once you do that, check for an email from registration@toluna325 and click on the verification link. Okay, this is very important. If you do not do that, your account will not be verified and will not be created, and you will need to resubmit that application. Okay, so make sure you do that. All right, if you did not get that message, go ahead and resend verification email. Okay, and that's the most important step that you need to do. So make sure, check your inbox, check your spam folder, check for an email from us right here, from registration@toluna325, and verify your email, and that'll be it, guys. So I hope this helps. Please complete this application and submit it as soon as possible if you're really interested in this open position, and I wish you good luck.